Dear students, in the previous lecture, we study fundamental quantities and fundamental units. In addition to these 7 fundamental units, there are 2 supplementary units for the measurement of plane angle and solid angle. Plane angle is denoted by d theta and solid angle is denoted by d omega. Draw a circle of radius r. AB is the arc of the circle. Then the ratio of length of an arc to the radius of the circle is known as plane angle. Arc length is ds, then the plane angle d theta is equal to ds upon r. Plane angle is measured in radian. विद्यार्थी मित्रांनो, तुम्हाला अँगल माहीत आहेत आणि त्यांचं मोजमाप तुम्ही केलेलंही आहे. An acute angle, right angle and obtuse angle. The angle of 180 degree is the straight angle. We measured this angle in degrees. Then what is the relation between degree and radian? How we convert the angle from radian to degree or from degree to radian? Consider a circle of radius r. आता समजा आपण आर्क लेंथ ही रेडियस एवढी घेतली तर त्यावेळेस जो अँगल तयार होतोय तो प्लेन अँगल 1 रेडियन असणार आहे. The arc length of the circle is equal to the circumference of the circle. Then how many arcs are required to complete the circumference? आर्क लेंथ आपण रेडियस एवढी घेतली आहे म्हणून आपण सर्कम्फरन्सला रेडियसने डिवाइड करणार म्हणजे आपल्याला नंबर ऑफ आर्क्स मिळतील. The number of arcs equal to 2 pi means 2 into 3.14 equal to 6.28. This is the first arc, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, and this is 0.28 arc. But we know that this complete angle is 360 degree. Means 2 pi radian equal to 360 degree or pi radian equal to 180 degree. In this way, 1 radian equal to 180 upon pi degree or 1 degree equal to pi upon 180 radian. आणि विद्यार्थी मित्रांनो हेही लक्षात असू द्या 1 degree equal to 60 minutes, 1 minutes equal to 60 seconds and 1 second equal to 4.847 into 10 raised to minus 6 radian. Solid angle. Plane angle is 2-dimensional while the solid angle is 3-dimensional. Now let us see the definition of the solid angle. It is defined as the area of portion of surface of a sphere to the square of the radius of the sphere. Consider a hollow sphere of radius r. ds is the area of portion of surface of the sphere. Then the angle subtended by area ds at the point O is the solid angle. If r is the radius of the sphere, then the solid angle d omega equal to ds upon r square. A sphere of radius r has surface area 4 pi r square. Hence, the solid angle subtended by the entire sphere at its center is 4 pi r square upon r square equal to 4 pi steradian, where steradian is the unit of solid angle. Let us see some example of solid angle. Some vegetable like carrot forms solid angle. The ice cream cone forms solid angle. The torch light forms solid angle. You always see the cone on the road used for safety forms solid angle. A spinning top or simply a spinning toy you play is also form a solid angle.